Alright y'all, look, so in my last video we ended up making $22,000, and I asked y'all for 1,000 likes in that video and we ain't hit it. We hit like 480 something, but we was close. And since the last video ain't hit 500 likes, I need y'all to drop 500 likes on this video if y'all want me to bring part 4 faster. So drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. But before we get into the good stuff, I gotta let y'all know I had ended up losing like $15,000 yesterday when the market took like a crazy drop. I had sent out this signal on gold for a buy, unaware that news was about to release. So when the news released, gold had ended up dropping like 400 pips within like 5 minutes. Like literally, soon as I sent the signal, the market just tanked. So we ended up losing that trade, but the thing is I had sent the signal out, so I didn't get a chance to put the stop loss on my account because I was trying to send it so fast. So when the market started dropping, I had lost more than I was supposed to. But even though this week was garbage, we ended up getting a big win on the account, so I'm about to show y'all right now. I let y'all know in every video that the broker I'm using for this challenge is Hanko Trade. Y'all asked me which broker I'm using a lot, so if you want to check them out, the link in the description. I did a few withdrawals with them this week and everything been good. But now let's hop on the charts right quick and see what we got. Alright, so I had to pull out the iPad right quick. I don't trade on this, so don't even worry about the chart. But this basically showing y'all it's a live account balance right here. I can't, you know what I'm saying, this ain't no screenshot. So if we look over here, right, as you can see, this right here was like right before London session was about to end. So if y'all look at the chart, y'all gonna see that it's two different color boxes right here. We got this blue box and we got this purple box. The blue box is basically like the end of London session, and when the blue box turned purple is when New York session opened. So anyway, we had this little this was on a 1 minute time frame. This is on gold. We had this little structure right here, that's little consolidation that the market was having at the end of London session, right? So we ended up breaking structure down here to the downside. As you can see, we ended up taking out these lows, and the market consolidated a little bit until New York session opened, right? But what made me think that I was gonna take this trade? After the consolidation and price had started to push down, right? What I did was I looked at the market. I said, okay, cool. We broke structure to the downside, but we ended up leaving a gap within this candle right here. This engulfing candle, we left the gap right here. So I said, all right, cool. If the market pushed back up into this gap, I'll take a trade. So the market had pushed back up into the gap, and it had did it real fast when New York opened. Like it pushed up and came right back down. So I had to just place the trade right there. I ended up not sending out this signal because it was a more risky trade, since I was trading on the 1 minute and I really didn't have no structure to trade to, but I still took it for my own self. Anyway, what had happened was this, right? I got into the trade right here with a 20 lot, put my stop loss up here for 25 pips initially. So when the market ended up pushing down, I was up like $27,000 off just that one entry, right? But then what had happened was the market ended up coming all the way back up. And this is a little trick that I do all the time with the market, right? Anytime I see like a candle like this where it's like a crazy wick on the lower time frame, I know that the market most likely gonna come back up and get into that wick and then come back down. So what happened? When the market pushed back up, instead of me closing my trade out at break even, I said, okay, cool, I see this happen a lot. I ain't gonna get fooled. What I'm gonna do is, I know they probably gonna go back down to that low one more time. So I placed another 20 lot when we got over here at this wick. So then both of those trades, I said, okay, I'm gonna catch the momentum going down. Both of those trades end up going down right back down to where we was at, right? So I basically had my TP down here, but I ended up closing it out manually because sometimes it don't go down and break the low. So I ain't want to risk the trade going against me after I was already up. So I just closed it close to take profit. And I ended up making $50,000 off of that trade. Now overall, I think the market gonna be bearish for the rest of the week. So it's gonna be a little harder to scalp for the signals chart and stuff like that. But I got a little promotion going on for y'all right now. If you sign up to the signals chart between today and Saturday, which is July 16th, I'll let you get an extra week onto the signals chart. So you'll be basically getting 37 days for $40. So if you wanna join the signals chart, first link in the description. If y'all enjoyed the video, run it up to 500 likes so I could drop part 4 faster. So make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Peace.